Hello viewers, welcome to another new tutorial video on Google Doc. In this video, we'll talk about how to save a Google Doc as a PDF. To show the process, I have taken a template. That means you can see this is a template of resume, but I changed the name. By the way, let's start the process and let's learn how to download a Google Doc as a PDF. To download any file or from Google Doc, you just have to click on File and then Download. There are so many options to download here, but let's see again how to download it. First of all, click on File option from the ribbon. Then you can see there are some more options open now. In the second column, in the second row, you can see Share, Mail, and Download. From if you hover your um, mouse pointer on download, you can see some more options here. You can download this file in all those formats: Microsoft Word, Open Doc format, ODT, rich text formats, format, RTF, and some more options. But the method we want here in this video, that is PDF. So we'll download this in PDF. To download any Google Doc file in PDF, you just have to click here, PDF document. After you click here, you can see a file is downloading. Whenever you open this file, you can see this is downloaded as a PDF. Now you can share this file with anyone. You can download here from me from again, but I have already downloaded this file. So this was the method to download any file as PDF. But you can see there are some more options here. Mostly we use Microsoft Word file or Docs file. So when we download a file as Docs, we can share this file with anyone, and this file will be opened in Words and Docs, both the apps. Some other apps also will be able to open that file. So that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, I'm repeating the process. Open the file, click on File option, then hover your mouse on Download, then come to this drop down menu and click on PDF document. Thanks for watching the video.